Hello everyone, it's trade review time, but also this video is going to be a bit different than usual. So I would like to talk about volume and why this is very important, and especially as a day trader. So on the chart I marked some areas which are related, and in the end of video you're going to see why. So as you can see, from every point price goes to reverses or basically continues to downside. Let's say uh, this area. From this area, as I mentioned before, uh, these areas which I marked is related with volume. And over here you can see price reversed, went for 12 or 15 points higher. From this point I took a short, and also I marked areas over here which is really important. And yeah, from this area which I marked, price dropped very aggressively. The next thing, uh, over here, I tried to short it but didn't get entry. There was a really nice drop. Also, uh, it was really just example. I want to, because I want to show you why it is important. The next thing is over here, and that volume related thing occurred over here, and price dropped very aggressively to downside. So uh, as you can see, I have a normal candlestick chart, a normal candlestick chart. So uh, and in the bottom I have uh, volume bars, as you can see. So I'm going to show you what do I mean and why this areas is really important. And yeah, so I'm going to okay, let's go to the cluster chart. Okay, and the thing I want to talk about, value areas. So many people are using chart volume profile, and let's say they are talking about what is above value area high, what is below value area high. But as a day trader, as a scalper, uh, I want to see aggressive shifts in the volume uh, at the swing lows or the swing highs, because if volume is shifting, let's say over here, from high to low, it means that somebody is pushing price lower. And let's say in this area, uh, volume is shifting from high to low, from lower to higher. And how can we know that? Okay, so Go Charting has a really nice feature. It is called value area, as you can see over here. So what does it show you? It shows you what is value on every single candle. If you look, uh, it looks like nonsense. It's not important, but I'm going to show you why this is important. And as a day trader, you really want to stack probabilities in your favor, because if you look to the order flow, at the same time you see aggressive selling and aggressive buying. Yeah, so you want to stay on the side which are dominating. Let's say uh, buyers are pushing price higher, or sellers pushing higher. So you want to see where this volume is shifting. Okay, so how can we know that? Okay, um, so basically what is really important when we are looking to uh, value area in the candle, I want to see gaps. Let's say price forms new low, and over here in this example, okay, you see price went here and over here, and what I see right now, look, value is over here in this, from this candle. You see this is green candle, yeah, and look what happened. Value is over here right now. You see we have gap in this area, so basically that means, you know, price wants to go higher from this low, yeah, as you can see. And after that, and when reach that low, look what we have. We have nice rally to the upside, yeah. So another thing which I saw during the live, so look, price reached a new high, okay, and another candle opened over here with red candle. You see it's opened 21.25, yeah, and look what we have. Okay, this was this candle value area, and over here another value area. And what is really important, when we have a, you know, candle opening above, you know, previous candle value area, so in this area it's opened over here, but look, value area closed below, okay, it's not a gap, but it is very great example. uh, yeah, so look, price dropped and came back to the same area, and look what we have right now, yeah, okay, reach high and gap over here. You can see it, it does not reach a previous candle value area, so it is a very nice example. So I took short over here, okay, 1815. So I'm going to show a picture. So look, 1815, it was micros, yes, micros. So look, 1815, 50, and I scaled out from my trade. Yeah, it was really nice trade. So when I saw that, you know, value area is shifting from here and came back to the same level, it's shifting again, so I took a short, and yeah, price dropped very nicely. So look what we have right now. Okay, price rally, okay, and look what we have again, gap in the value area, you see. So this is very strong high, because I want to short these areas, because somebody is pushing price really aggressively to the downside, yeah. So look what we have. Opa, wow, and let's say entry over here, stop loss above this area, and look, nice rally to the downside, yeah. And yeah, so when I look for a trade, I want to see uh, spots where I can place my stop loss order. And look, okay, let's say price reach that area and no gapping, you know. Of course I want to combine everything. I want to combine order flow, I want to combine imbalances and etc. But look, reach that top, no, just no consolidating. Reach new high, consolidating, nothing special, yeah. And look what did happen over here, rallied, and look, from this high, huge gap in this, you know, aggressive selling. Look, huge delta, and this is high probability trade. And okay, look, right now reach new low and gap already, okay, and rallied again. So this is really simple. And yeah, when you see um, these scenarios, I really want to take these trades. So okay, the next thing, the next example which I'm going to talk about, yeah, so price was going down, okay, and look what we have again in this area, okay, went up, and I, in this area I took long over here, because yeah, I'm just, you know, improving, trying to get better. But look, price went up, and after that, look what we have. We have a gap in value area, so that means somebody is pushing price lower. And in this area I saw buying and selling, buying and selling aggressively, you know. So I took a long because I was expecting. But look, it's basically sellers are controlling price, they are pushing volume to the downside, and yeah, it was really nice 10-point move to the downside. Yeah, so this is really nice, and this is why really important as a day trader. You want to spot these areas where no volume is shifting, no shifting from highs or lows, not in the ranges. You want to see, basically you want to see spots where you want to just put your stop loss. Yeah, so this is really nice footprint chart indicator, and yeah, I hope you understand what do I talk. So yeah, and let's quickly let's go to the bookmap and see what I saw on the order flow. Okay, so as I mentioned before, price now went down from session's new high, and okay, let's go. As you can see, price coming back to the new high. um, I was shorting over here, didn't get entry, so I just cancelled my entry, which was I risked 3.5 points. So right now price is coming back to the same high, and look, we don't see aggressive selling, and I want to see aggressive selling before I enter to the trade, because this is setup uh, which I'm not using blind entry to the short. Yeah, so this is kind of different.
Fine.
Yeah, I see right now, I see
Fine.
aggressive selling, and yeah, so look, it's 39.0. So this is, I'm going to show you this spot, okay, and you will see why it is very important. Okay, let's go back to the look, this spot in front, after in this area aggressive selling occurred. Yeah, so we have value area, gap, and also aggressive selling. So when I saw that, I just entered to that trade, and yeah, I risk 3.5 points per trade. So it is automated. You can see on the book map 14 ticks, so my stop loss is going to be above this area. Yeah, yeah, this is a really high probability trade which I'm looking, and yeah, I hope you understand what I say. If you don't, just comment and I will try to answer to your questions. But in my opinion, this is really important, because when I watch order flow, at the same time I see a lot of volume on the chart, and I want to understand what is volume is shifting, because from this selling I don't see you know any gaps in value, and I want to see that. Okay, because I don't want to short aggressive, come when price is aggressively coming back to the new high. I don't want that. I want to, you know aggressive sellers to push price lower. So yeah, uh, okay, that's enough for this Friday. I hope you understand what I said, and if you don't, okay, just leave a comment and ask questions, and I will try to answer. But okay, again, these gaps in value is very important. It's absolutely very important. Okay, because they happen every single day, and you want to know these areas. Okay, so
Fine.
okay, thank you, and have a nice weekend. Bye.